Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Chromecast and switching the TV to the correct HDMI input. This immediately puts the device in listening mode. Next, make sure your laptop and Chromecast share the same Wi-Fi network because casting requires a local connection. Open Google Chrome on your laptop. Chrome handles the casting protocol. Install updates if prompted. Once done, you'll be ready to locate the cast target from Chrome's menu. So keep the laptop near the TV while you continue. You click the Chrome menu and choose Cast. This discovers devices automatically over the network. Select whether you want to cast a single tab, your entire desktop, or a specific file. Casting the desktop shares everything, which is useful for presentations, while tab casting saves bandwidth. Then pick your Chromecast by name. The browser negotiates a direct stream. Make sure audio routes to the Chromecast if you want sound. If not, change the source in the options before you press Cast. You confirm the stream on the TV and check audio sync. Small delays are normal due to buffering. When done, end casting from Chrome's menu to free the Chromecast for others. If the connection is unstable, reboot the router and power cycle the Chromecast. This clears temporary network errors. Also consider a wired Ethernet adapter for Chromecast or move the Wi-Fi router closer to reduce interference. If nothing helps, check that laptop firewall or VPNs are disabled.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.